Hello, tech enthusiasts! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to obtain Windows 10 or 11 product keys safely and legally. Open your web browser and navigate to GeekTechZone.com. Hit Enter and allow the website a few seconds to load. Once the site is loaded, click on the search icon and type Windows. You will see several articles pop up. Look for the article titled Windows Product Keys and open it. The article includes generic product keys provided by Microsoft for installation purposes. Keep in mind, these keys allow you to install Windows but won't fully activate it. They are ideal for testing Windows before making a purchase. You'll find a dedicated section in the article for free product keys and activation tutorials with regularly updated keys for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Make sure to choose a key that matches your version, whether it's Home, Pro, or Enterprise. Copy the key that suits your needs to your clipboard. Now, let's activate Windows. Go to your Windows settings, click on Update and Security, and then on Activation. You'll see an option to enter your product key. Paste the key you copied from GeekTechZone and then click Next. That's all. Your Windows should now be activated. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great tech tips.